Hey guys, it's me, Levon, and I goofed up or my phone goofed up, but I was basically recording me lathing and building this lamp that I have right here. It's a birthday present for my wife, and I hope she likes it. I'm not quite sure what kind of wood it is, but it was my neighbor's tree that fell. It's really nice stuff. So I've yet to put some type of protective coat on this. I have some oil inside, which I was going to rub on it. And as you can see, I built this. I recycled this lampshade. It used to be my mom's. And yeah, so I don't know what happened, whether it just stopped recording or anyways, I spun this on my lathe, made a bunch of beads, but I wanted to leave some of the bark on it. And I cut a section of what it is, what kind of wood it is. And again, I'm not very sure what kind of wood it is. But I cut a nice raw piece for the base. And I wired it up so that it does what it's supposed to do. It's a nice lamp. So yeah, so sadly I didn't record. Well, I mean, what is that? That's just a bunch of beads that I did on on this lathe right here. So it's nothing you guys can't figure out, or you can even watch. I don't know. There you go. So yeah, there it is. I built it, and I think I really like it. So yeah. Again, sadly I didn't video the building of this part, but this was basically one big chunk. Actually, this is what it looked like, one big piece of it. And I cut off the ends with the knots on it. And also it wouldn't fit in my lathe, so I had to chop some off. So I cut that out, and then I lathed it so that it looks like that. Then I got a big chunk of the base, which is there, and I chopped that off with my chainsaw, and I built the base for it. And then I went to your local big box stores, and I bought the kit, which is $10, and it was totally worth it. It's basically the wire, the everything that you see up there. It's got the metal, the wire, the little adapter, and like I said, I recycled the lampshade. But I think it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Any questions or comments, leave them below. And again, I'm sorry I didn't record for some reason or other the turning of this guy right here, which is all I really did. I just spun this. But if you go on YouTube and you just type in wood lathing and beads, they're called beads, and then you have coves. So my good friend's dad, he's a professional wood turner. He does some amazing work with his lathe, and that's originally what inspired me to buy this one. So now I'm looking for a bigger one, so I can do bigger pieces, more than a foot long. But to be honest, I really dig this thing, and considering it was $100, it was money well spent. So yeah, there it is, my really cool looking funky doodle lampshade or lamp. And I'm gonna try to get something that is better at recording. I think I'm just gonna borrow my brother's camcorder and record on a digital card that way. But I don't know if it was me that didn't press record, or I just got too happy and too ready, too anxious, or whatever you want to call it, to get started on this, and I just forgot to hit record. But that's basically it. So I did a whole bunch of beads. I sanded it down. I haven't put a finish on it yet. This is the original piece that I just chopped right off. Got a nice flat section out of it as the base. I ran the cord in the back, drilled it through, and then up, and then put it all together. So So there it is. I kind of like it. Any questions or comments, leave them below. And I'll be sure to be putting some more of these projects up for you guys so you can see how it's done. But it was quite simple. It wasn't anything hard. Only thing that was a little bit complicated was spinning this guy. But like I said, just look up bead work on a lathe and on YouTube, and you can get an idea of how I built it. Thank you very much, and questions or comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and I answer you guys right away. Bye.